everyone, this is Andrew, and today I got for you the Descendants on Blu-ray, DVD, and digital copy to unbox. It says right there, this is nominated for 5 Academy Awards, including Best Picture and Best Actor for George Clooney, who stars in it. So as you can see, here's the cover. George Clooney right there. And director Alexander Payne says the best picture of the year by the New York Post. So that's basically the cover, and here we go with the spine. You got 20th Century Fox, The Descendants, same picture on both sides, and the Blu-ray and DVD symbols down there. Here's the back. You have the Blu-ray disc symbol up there in the corner. Sharp, funny, and moving. Entertainment Weekly. You got video stills and the description, you can read that. Then you got the discs overviews here. Got the movie high definition, a bunch of extra footage there. Then you got a bunch of music videos and deleted scenes, and they put the DVD and the digital copy into one disc, so it's pretty cool. And it's, as you can see right there, it's not that stupid ultraviolet thing, so that's awesome. You can actually use it. And yeah, so that's basically the back of the box. So let's take the slipcover off. There's that. It's the same box, so let's get right into it. So it's 2 discs with the inserts. Open this up. And unlike most Blu-rays that come out recently, this one has a sticker. Thought they stopped doing that, but they put it on this one for some reason, so whatever. It sticks to the side a lot. Hate when that happens. Usually have to pick off the extra pieces off the side later. Not too bad. So let's get the sticker off. And I heard this was really a movie from a lot of people. So that's obviously why I got it. Not just the New York Post, but like real people. Even though the artist won Best Picture, this was still nominated and in the running. So. Just getting a little piece of sticker off that's left, so yeah, there's that. So let's open this right up. And as we open this up, you can see the Blu-ray disc here. So let me take the inserts out, show you those later, and let's get to the discs. There's the first disc. You got the standing as it takes place in Hawaii there. There's the DVD and the digital copy. And you got like the snapshots, which are from the back of the box. You can see there, and then that one's from up there. So there are the discs, and then the first insert you have is this just advertisement for Maryland. Save $4 when you buy My Week with Maryland DVD or Blu-ray combo pack. Oscar worthy on every level. There's the coupon again. and you get the digital copy code. This is just white. Those are just the directions with other screenshots that aren't seen anywhere else on the box. So yeah, so there's that. So once again, here are the discs with the inserts and security devices there. So there's the Descendants unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. Definitely check out the movie. I heard it was, once again, really good. So rent it, buy it, see it somehow if you can. It's definitely worth the look. So thanks for watching this unboxing. Subscribe, comment, add as friend, do all that. Opinions on the movie as always. And I'll see you later. Bye, everyone.